Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your tab for a safe update. Charge the tab to at least 50% and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Back up your important files to cloud or external storage before updating. Check available storage and free at least 1 GB for the update package. Verify your tab model and current OS version in settings so you download the correct update. Close heavy apps and note any custom settings you might want to restore later. Open Settings and navigate to System then Software Update to check for available updates. Tap Check for Updates and wait while the server responds with the latest package. Download large updates only over Wi-Fi to avoid mobile data charges. Expect the download and verification to take between 10 and 30 minutes depending on your connection. When the download completes, tap Install and keep the tab on a charger or ensure at least 50% battery. The tab will reboot and apply the update automatically. After the tab reboots, verify the new OS version in settings to confirm success. Walk through any setup prompts and re-enable features like biometrics or location services if needed. Restore your backed up files from cloud or external storage and check that photos and documents open correctly. Review app permissions and privacy settings because some updates reset defaults. If you encounter performance issues, perform a safe reboot first to clear caches. As a last resort, factory reset the tab after backing up data to resolve persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.